Have you ever wondered how the law of attraction works and how you can make it work for you? Let's spend some time unlocking the secrets of manifesting with the law of attraction and mastering energetic mindfulness. Have you ever noticed how some people seem to manifest abundance effortlessly, while others struggle no matter how hard they try? Here's the secret. It's not about working harder. It's about energy alignment. Today, we're diving deep into how manifestation actually works and how you can shift your vibration to attract what you truly desire. Stick with me until the end because I'm going to share the #1 mistake that blocks manifestations and how to fix it instantly. It's not what you think. Thanks for coming along the gracious path with me today, the path to manifesting all of your dreams through energetic mindfulness. Together, we can continue to explore the profound mysteries of life and beyond. Now let's get into it. The law of attraction is always at work, responding to the energy you're offering right now. Think of yourself like a radio. If you want to hear jazz music but your dial is set to a rock station, you're never going to hear jazz, no matter how much you wish for it. It's the same with manifestation. You don't get what you want, you get what you are vibrationally tuned to. When you feel abundant, you attract abundance. When you feel love, you attract love. When you feel lack, you attract more reasons to feel lack. Your emotions are your indicators of your vibrational frequency. They let you know what you're attracting before it shows up in your life. So if you want to manifest something new, the first step is to shift your energy before the physical reality follows. When you get into alignment, you allow everything to flow to you. Feel it first, and it will come. Next, I want to help you understand the difference between appreciation and gratitude. People think these are the same, but the feeling of appreciation is very different than the feeling of gratitude, and the difference can be profound to your manifesting. Let's talk about your thoughts. Every thought you've ever thought is still in the universe. Now that's a wild concept, but so important to understanding energetic mindfulness, especially as we explore the differences between appreciation and gratitude. Every thought you think sends out a vibration, and the universe doesn't judge whether it's good or bad, it just responds. If you keep thinking, "I'm always struggling," you're sending out a vibration of struggle, and you'll keep attracting it. If you start thinking, "Things are getting easier for me," your vibration shifts and life starts responding in a new way. Now, you may have heard that gratitude is a powerful tool for manifesting, but let's refine that. Abraham Hicks teaches that appreciation is an even higher frequency than gratitude, and here's why. Gratitude often carries a trace of resistance because it's linked to overcoming something difficult. It can have an underlying fear of going back to what you don't want. For example, when people say, "I'm so grateful, I'm not struggling anymore," they're still focused on struggle. Appreciation, on the other hand, is pure alignment. It's about being satisfied with where you are because every contrast you've experienced has birthed new desires. You recognize that everything is unfolding perfectly, and you feel joyfully expectant about what's coming next. Try this. Think of 3 things you truly appreciate, things that feel expansive and good in the present moment, not just things you're relieved to have overcome. Notice how that immediately softens your energy and makes you feel more open. Now we're really getting to the heart of the Gracious Path's practice of energetic mindfulness. My whole life changed when I became empowered by this philosophy. When I am aware that my thoughts have energy, then I become more mindful about my thoughts. If I want to shift my energy, I can choose thoughts that cause my vibration to go higher. When I am energetically mindful, I am creating my happiness through my thoughts. When I stop reacting, then I can start creating the life I want. Next, let's talk about the practicalities of how you are responsible for allowing the good things to come to you, about how you can become energetically responsible. Here's where most people get stuck. They ask the universe for what they want, and then immediately start checking in on it constantly. Where is it? Why isn't it here yet? What if I'm doing something wrong? This creates a vibrational contradiction because every time you check, you're focused on its absence, not on its presence. That's like planting a seed and then digging it up every day to see if it's growing. The more you check, the more doubt you introduce, and the longer it takes to manifest. The key is to trust and let go. So how do you shift your focus away from the absence of your manifestation? Instead of constantly looking for proof that your manifestation is coming, shift your focus to something that already feels good right now. Your job isn't to chase the manifestation. Your job is to stay in the energy of receiving. Your job is to stay energetically aligned, energetically responsible, energetically empowered, energetically mindful. And you are the only one who can control how you feel. Think about it. When you order something online, do you spend all day refreshing the tracking page, or do you trust that it's on the way and go about your day? Manifestation works the same way. The moment you ask, it is given. But you have to get out of the way and allow it in. Here's the magical technique that will help you. I want you to get distracted. Do something else. Ask for it and move on to another happy thing that will keep you in alignment. This powerful practice to help you release attachment and shift into allowing mode. Write down your desire as if it's already happened. For example, I love the feeling of financial abundance flowing effortlessly into my life. Or I'm so grateful for my incredible relationship where I feel deeply loved and appreciated. Now we're going to fold the paper and put it away in a special place. Set a place aside for your dreams, like in a drawer, a special box, or even a manifestation jar, like a message in a bottle. This symbolizes that you've placed your order with the universe. No need to check on it. After your order has been placed, I want you to immediately shift your attention to the present moment. Find something right now that brings you joy. Go for a walk. Play uplifting music. Watch something funny. Do something creative. Find any reason to feel good now. Whenever you catch yourself checking on your manifestation, say, "It's done. I trust it's unfolding perfectly." By training yourself to enjoy the now, you release the resistance that keeps your desire from coming in. And that's when the magic happens, because you're no longer blocking it. So here's how to jumpstart your manifesting, a practice you can control to make your manifestations happen. I want to help you to visualize it as already being done so you can become unconditionally happy, whether it's here or not. Now here's the biggest reason people block their manifestations. They keep focusing on the absence of what they want. For example, if you say, "I want more money," but you constantly feel broke, your focus is still on lack. When you learn to think, "All the money I desire is on its way to me," then you're attracting it to you. The energy of those two thoughts are fundamentally different, and it matters. If you say, "I want a loving relationship," but you're focused on feeling lonely, you're still vibrating with loneliness. If you can let your thoughts be, "I enjoy being in a partnership where we have fun and play and enjoy each other's company," you are setting the stage for a new relationship. The trick is to align with the feeling of already having what you want. One of the most powerful ways to do this is through visualization. Your subconscious mind cannot tell the difference between something you're imagining and something that is actually happening. When you visualize something vividly and with feeling, your body and energy respond as if it's real, which shifts your vibration instantly. Here's how to do it. Close your eyes and picture yourself already living your desired reality. What do you see? Who is with you? What does it feel like? Engage all your senses. Imagine what you'd hear, smell, taste, and touch in that reality. Most importantly, feel it. Feel the joy, the excitement, the security, the love. Hold on to that feeling as long as you can. You must engage your emotions. The universe will know if you're feeling good. The universe reads your emotions, not your words. When you practice this regularly, your energy naturally aligns with that version of you, and the universe brings it into reality. Here's where people get tripped up. They think they need the manifestation to feel happy, but Abraham Hicks teaches that your stability and happiness must come first, before the manifestation arrives. Think of your manifestations as puzzle pieces filling in around you. When you're emotionally stable and unconditionally happy, those pieces fall into place effortlessly. But if your happiness depends on the manifestation arriving, your energy becomes conditional, and that blocks the flow. So how do you stay stable? By knowing your own worthiness. You do not need to prove your worthiness to receive anything. You don't have to achieve, struggle, or deserve your manifestations. You are inherently worthy just by being you. Once you fully accept that you are unconditionally worthy, you relax. You stop needing proof. And from that place of stability, the universe can finally deliver everything you've asked for. So here's your practice. For the next 24 hours, visualize your dream life and focus only on what you appreciate. Let go of the how and trust that it's already done. You asked for it. It already exists in the universe. Now you need to allow it to find its way to you. Comment below, what are you manifesting right now? I'd love to hear what's flowing into your life. Remember, your only job is to align with the energy of what you desire. The universe will handle the rest. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights on energetic mindfulness and spiritual healing. Until next time, stay connected, stay inspired, and keep walking the gracious path.